This is a $1 million supercar powered by hydrogen. Did you know that the only thing coming out of this pipe is pure water vapor? When these supercars are powered by green hydrogen, the entire process from making the fuel to driving on the highway can be 100% carbon free. I'm about to show you how a tiny hydrogen company you've never heard of could help you get a toy like this. Right now, this stock is trading for pennies on the dollar, but they're building something that every single one of these supercars is going to need to stay on the road. The people behind Charbone Hydrogen Corporation had big dreams. The company went public in April 2022. Bad timing, horrible timing, right after the 2021 stock market crash. Charbone's stock price declined 90%, almost making the dream an impossibility. The dream was to build something that was never done before, to create a pure play green hydrogen producer with a big, impenetrable local moat. You see, hydrogen is very expensive to transport. So if you build local green hydrogen production close to your customers, nobody can compete with you on price. And the vision was to create billions of dollars worth of value. But there was a tiny problem. In order to produce green hydrogen, the company needed capital. Hard to get capital when your stock is down 90%. Don't you think? Well, in theory, you could get project financing because the upside from their vision is absolutely massive. One project can generate $66 million worth of revenues and $33 million worth of EBITDA when fully constructed all the way to phase 5. Such a project alone would be worth approximately $300 million. And considering that Charbone is targeting 16 of such projects in Canada and the United States, we are talking about a value creation of $5 billion. And considering that the market cap is only about $20 million, well, 5 billion versus 20 million, that's 250x. So if successful, a few $1,000s can turn into $1 million so that you can get yourself a supercar like this. It's no wonder that more and more investors are calling for Charbone stock to reach $1 land soon from the 10 cents range that it is today. However, about 2 years ago, no one wanted to give this company money. The financiers would say, "We will give you money once you are in green hydrogen production." Well, Charbone would say, "But we need the money first to be in green hydrogen production." So it's catch-22. So they struggled. They had to raise a little bit of money here and a little bit of money there, issuing shares at incredibly low prices. Unfortunately, they had to dilute shareholders more than they wanted to. They even struggled to pay suppliers. To settle the debts, they had to issue cheap stock too. It was sad to watch because there was huge demand for their green hydrogen. The company already had buyers for the product, but they still couldn't get a single break. Green hydrogen is produced from water. Electrolyzer sends clean electricity, meaning electricity produced from renewable resources, through water to split hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen is used in industries such as semiconductors, data centers, and advanced manufacturing. Finally, in September 2025, they came up with a brilliant idea. We are going to buy as much equipment as we can with the money that we have, and we are going to acquire green hydrogen producing assets from somebody else and move this equipment to our site. By October 2025, they successfully dismantled the equipment and moved it to their flagship project called Sorel Tracy. And then the stock finally started to react in anticipation of the future green hydrogen production. On December 1st, 2025, Charbone produced its first green hydrogen. This was a huge deal, going from a promise to finally about to generate revenues. The stock exploded, erasing the entire 90% collapse since the IPO. Now the stock was up 1,000% from the bottom. Incredible recovery. This was wonderful to watch. Investors were discovering the story in droves. With my own eyes, I saw how nobody wanted to talk about this company on social media, to Charbone being one of the most talked about stocks. Unfortunately, the stock collapsed again, this time 70% down in a matter of 3 months. But this time, I believe that this is temporary, and I will explain to you exactly why. Remember how I told you that Charbone was struggling with raising money? Well, it was raising money in small amounts, just scraping by. And when companies raise money, they do so with private placements. And private placements have negative short-term consequences on the stock prices. When a company announces a private placement at a particular price, investors sell down the stock to these levels. And many times they sell it in the open market to finance the private placement. In a private placement, you buy shares directly from the company, and those shares are restricted from trading for a minimum of 4 months. So the second negative consequence from a private placement is 4 months later, when investors are finally able to sell the shares that they bought through the private placement. A third negative effect is from warrant expiry. Private placements usually come with 12 or 24-month warrants, where investors have the right to buy shares directly from the company at a predetermined price. Because Charbone had such an impossible time raising money, they had to offer 12-month warrants to incentivize investors. And this means that if the stock price went above the strike price, investors would sell the stock in the open market to finance the exercise of warrants. So while Charbone was finally achieving its goal of getting into green hydrogen production and investors were discovering the story, an avalanche of shares were hitting the market at the same time. Between September 2025 and February 2026, 100 million shares were either being printed, unlocking, or warrants were expiring. There are only about 200 million shares outstanding, and 100 million shares were in loose hands. This is like a nuclear war on a stock. The stock had to absolutely collapse with this kind of environment. Now, the reason why the opportunity exists now is because this horrible selling is pretty much behind them. And that's why the stock price is moving up again. But now the difference between the fundamental performance is night and day. Now, Charbone is producing green hydrogen. It is no longer a promise, it is a reality. Revenues are being produced, but they are not showing up on the financial statements yet. This is because revenue generation happened in Q4 2025, and financials for this quarter haven't been released yet. But that's not the most important thing. Remember how the financiers previously said, "We will give you money once you are in green hydrogen production"? Well, now they are. That's why so many investors are buying the stock, because they know that financing of these 16 projects will unlock $5 billion worth of value creation. Considering the difference between 20 million and 5 billion of future value creation is big, can you blame them for wanting to buy as much stock as possible? So I suggest you have a look at Charbone Hydrogen Corporation, or you can let someone else steal your supercar. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.